I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can transfer files from your iPhone to your computer or laptop. Now, you may have watched videos before showing you how to do this with the USB cable, and it is way too complicated. And in fact, I'm going to show you how you can do it wirelessly, and this method is much easier. So first, you need to head over to your files. So just swipe down, search for files, click on it, and then find the files that you want to transfer. So you can do that by going into the folder and finding the file you want to transfer. I'm going to just transfer these 3 files that you can see on screen. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, then click select, then go ahead and click on all of the files that you want to transfer. So I'm just going to transfer these 3, like I said. Then go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the 3 dots icon, and then click on compress. And you've now compressed all of those selected files to a zip file called archive.zip. Now, this archive.zip now has all 3 files, and what we can do is we can get this sent over to the computer very easily. Now, the way that I transfer files every day is through Google Drive. So open up your App Store if you don't already have Google Drive downloaded, and just do a search here for Drive. Once you've done that search, you'll then see Google Drive, and you can go ahead and download it and open it up. Now, once you've got it opened up, you need to log in with your Google account. If you already use Google on your phone, if you use Gmail, you've probably already got your Google account logged in, so you can just seamlessly open the app and it'll work. If not, log in. Now you need to go ahead and click on the plus icon inside of Google Drive, then click Upload File, and then click Browse. It'll open up your files, right? So you need to then choose the file. I'm going to choose archive.zip, and it will then start to upload this file to Google Drive once we click upload. So it's now uploading this zip file, which contains all of the other files we wanted to upload. So now that's been uploaded, we now need to go to Google Drive on the computer. Here we are on the computer, and what we want to do is just do a search for Drive. You can go ahead and then click on Google Drive and just sign into the correct account. So here we are signed in, and you can now see we've got that zip file. What we can do is we can right click on it, we can go download, and we can then download this file. So that will go into the downloads of our computer. We'll just click save. And then once you've got that downloaded, you can open this zip file. And here inside of this zip file are going to be the 3 files that you zipped. So that is all you have to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.